Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we'll be unboxing the brand new Dell laptop. So let's check it out. Okay, so here's one box. Alright, so this is the laptop inside here, as you can see. And we have another package, which is the brand new backpack from Dell. So first, let's start with the laptop. Alright, let's get started. Alright, and we're back. So now I'm gonna take my little short and sharp razor cutter to cut open the seal at the top. Let's get to it. Okay, once that's done, let's pull this down. Okay, and open it up. As you can see from here, this is the charger. Alright, the charger as well as the socket here. Okay, that is the charger compartment. As you can see, it's now empty. So I pull this out. Okay. Looks like it's well packaged inside there, as you can see. Yeah. Here it is. Oh, it's actually similar color to mine, the current model. So yeah, let's take it out of the wrapper. But let's see, is there anything else in the box first? Put it aside. Alright. Yeah, that's all. And then we have another board for protection inside there. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, we also get, yep, this is the Inspiron 145410. Alright, so here's like some kind of setup guide for all the Dell apps, and here's some safety and regulatory information here. And let's get to the main thing, which is the laptop itself. Okay, so it's a bit dusty, I think, because it's been on a plane and on a truck and all, but look great, right? So let's open up the wrapper. This is the best part. Wow, I'm excited. Okay. Okay. That is the brand new laptop is now out from the box. Let's just take a look around first. Alright, I think they put some sponge inside there, or foam, that does not damage the screen. Okay, the charging port, we have the HDMI, we have the USB, and we have the Thunderbolt 4 here. Okay, and on the other side, we have a SD card reader with another USB, and this is for your earphones. Okay, so this will be the first time me opening up the screen. Let's go. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Just look at that. I like the keyboard. It looks so different. Okay, that's nice. So here we have the touchpad. This is a i7, Intel Core 11 generation. We also have a NVIDIA inside here, and this screen is special because it's a FHD display that is able to be 40 times brighter and 10 times darker for black colors. Alright, so that is the special part, and we also have a tiny camera shutter up there. So let's turn it on for the first time. Here we go. I hope there's battery in it. Yep, there is battery. There's a keyboard light as well, if you can see. Okay, now it's turning on. Dell. Alright, perfect. Okay, let it start up. So for this i7 is actually the 11th generation, and it's actually way more powerful than the one I'm actually using right now. And its cache can be up to 12 megabytes. So I think in terms of performance, that is better. As well as the graphic card, this is a MX 450, whereas the one I'm using right now is a MX230. So there are major upgrades on this laptop. So let's just give it a moment to start up.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
All right.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Alright, for now I'm just gonna
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig
keep
in.
that quiet. Okay, so I will get that set up later on, but first impressions of this, I really like the new color. It's different than my old laptop. The keyboard, it's a grayish color, but I think when I turn off the lights later, you can see the keyboard actually lights up much better than this one. So right now, I'm going to do a simple montage on this brand new 5410 Inspiron 14. So let's get to that montage now. Hi guys, welcome back. So now we'll be talking about the specs of this brand new Inspiron 5410. Okay, so we have a 11 gen i7 that is the 11370H. That is the model of this i7. So it's a 12 megabyte cache and it's works up to 4.8 gigahertz. Alright. So for the graphic card, as I mentioned earlier, is a MX450. It has 2 GB inside for the processing, and I have tested out the gaming in this laptop, and it's actually much more smoother, much more efficient, much more cool looking, I would say, the gaming experience than my previous one. And one thing that's an upgrade as well is my storage has now been changed and upgraded to 512 GB, and it's a SSD as well. So this is a 8 GB RAM. It has 3200 megahertz and it's a 14-inch display. So the best part about this new display is a FHD. So it's actually very similar to an OLED screen where I see that the colors and the white color and the colors are actually more rather than the normal one. So this is really such a big upgrade for me because the screen is something that I'm really happy about, because when I play games with it, the gaming experience is really enhanced with this screen. Okay, and now this is called the Titan Grey color. So we have a Titan Grey keyboard as well as this backlit. As you can see, there's no RGB, it's just a white color backlit keyboard. Okay, and here we have our fingerprint as well, same thing. And the new thing that this keyboard is actually, it sounds much better than the old one, and it feels, the clickiness is actually much better. And yeah, this is actually the website to see. On the sides we have the charging port, we have the HDMI, we have 2 USBs sadly, but the best part about it is we have Thunderbolt 4. So many of you guys might not know what Thunderbolt 4 is. So Thunderbolt 4 is actually specifically made for the i7 in this laptop. So Thunderbolt 4 is actually, we can transfer data from another source, let's say from a phone or from an external hard drive, to the laptop at speeds of up to 40 gigabyte per second. So imagine, I can transfer my phone's data, like the whole phone's data, within 3 seconds using Thunderbolt 4. So that is actually really impressive with the new thing that Thunderbolt 4 has done for us. And about the battery, I haven't tested the battery yet, but I think it should be slightly better or not similar to the old one. And the new thing that this has is the shutter. We have a mechanical shutter now for the camera, so that is also very good. And other than that, it's actually very similar because the color on the outside is exactly the same. So if I put this with the old one, people will never know unless they see from the side where it's different. And the new part about the new one is, look at the hinges. Yes, so this will actually lift the laptop upwards, therefore making it better for the airflow at the bottom. And also another thing is, this laptop is actually much quieter. Whether I'm gaming or doing anything that needs high performance, it's actually much quieter than the old one. I'm not sure how they did that, but it's truly impressive. That's what I would say. And on the back side, we have just the word written Inspiron. So there's one sticker here. And yeah, that's about it. Very simple actually. That's all for the laptop. It's for me, I'm really grateful for it because mainly it's faster, it's better in terms of gaming, and it looks better for me, and I prefer typing on it and all that. It's just that its capabilities are much better than the old one. No doubt the old one was good, but this is much better. So now, once we are done with that, let's move on to the final thing. We'll be unboxing the backpack that is given with this laptop. So this is the free one. It's not a option which I took a better version or anything. So it's actually a free one that is included in the package when you buy this laptop. So let's open it up. Alright. Packaging seems good. Yeah, it's a very basic one because this is actually the free one, but still at least it's something they give from Dell, so it should be quite cool. Let's just check it out. Yeah, there we go. This is actually it's 15 inches and below because the size cannot be too big. Yeah, essential backpack 15. So a 15-inch plus laptop will not fit inside here. It's meant to be up to 15 inches only. Let's check the inside. Okay, we got our first compartment here. It's about this height, the compartment. It's actually called polyester. That is the material name. It's polyester. Okay, and let's check the laptop compartment. Oh, this is good. They actually put the laptop compartment at the back. You know why? So that people are not able to steal or touch the laptop or anything that's valuable when you are carrying it. So pickpockets from the back will find it even harder unless you just put it inside here. Wow, good job there. That's very impressive. Okay, so let's open up this side. We have a big compartment inside. It's blue. Okay, so I would say you put your laptop inside this slot here, then you close it up, and then here you can put your charger, your books, your files, and anything that's needed for work. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing impressive, but I like that Dell actually thought for an idea to avoid pickpockets, so it's pretty impressive. That will be all for my review, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This was me reviewing my new laptop, which is the F410. Thank you, Dell, for sponsoring me basically for this laptop. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video, which hopefully once MCO is over, it will be a car review. And yes, I repeat it again, it will be a car review. That is once MCO is over. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more. And yeah, thank you for subscribing. Goodbye guys.